First, how the program started. So, this is the final project para sa amin. So, hashtag include iOS string, hashtag include string, and hashtag include vector. This is the tool that the program needs for printing text or storing words or making arrays. Here po. Yes. Then, ito naman, yung next na ilalagay mo is yung int main, int main. Dito na yung magiging parang pinaka-menu ng program. So, mag-popping siya na mag-pop-up lang siya hanggang sa matapos yung program or hanggang sa kunyari like na may exit, yeah, like this exit. Pag nandyan ka na sa part na exit, sabihin na, doon na yung pinakatapos na yung program na nagawa mo. Then next is, wait, next is the first na gagawin natin. Kung ano yung first na lalabas sa program mo. So, dito sa una, dito na yung mag-aas ng first name mo. Then, syempre, ito-type mo yung name mo. Then, pagka-type na, lalabas yung result na hello, that's yung name mo, yung first name. Then, sa next naman, ito naman yung sa, ay, nga pala, ang ano po, itong caught and seen. Yung caught is, ito yung gets input from you. Tapos yung sa caught naman, ito yung magpiprint ng text. Next, the next one is in choice 2. Ito yung pangalawa dun na is, hindi siya ano din. Yung una kasi is basic input lang and output. Ito yung conditional statement. Conditional statement. Ito na yung gagawa ka ng parang may add, yun, papasok na dyan yung formula like here add the average of chemistry, biology, and history. So, sa ano po, sa ano, as lang naman yung grades. Then, magka-calculate siya ng average and average po. Then, next one is the choice 3. Ito na yung sa looping. I think the looping is, nalagay dito is enter beginning number. So, any number yan, kunyari 1 to 10. 1 lalagay mo sa enter beginning, tapos sa enter ending is sa 2. Ito yung parang ipap-under sa kanya. And yung parang, ito yung formula na magpapastart ng counting niya from start to end. Is the int I, start, int, and tapos yung I++. Then, next is else if. Choice 4. Choice 4 naman. Choice 4 na ba? Okay. So, choice 4 naman, yung mag-make a list na tayo ng array. Array naman po ito. Medyo mahirap siya kasi maraming kailangan na ilagay. So, to show the position in the list, to like kunyari 0 to 5. But yung vector int number, ito yung flexible list na pwedeng mag-hold ng numbers. Yung this part and this and tell the program which position na isi-showed. i-show po. So, dito, yun din yun, show the, starting of number and ending number of the series. Nakalimutan ko pala lagyan ng series to. Starting of series. Number. Napalitan. So, vector value yun. Kasi next po, dito naman yung ilalagay mo rin yung purpose or about para saan yung pinakalaman ng code mo and the fundamental of programming and final requirements and program by never name ko po. And then the last one is dito na existing. So, mag-click tayo ng thank you for the so, pag niran po yan, ito pa po pala sa pinaka-last. Yung last po, ayan na po yung sa 1. So, bali kapag inano mo yan, so, how to use it? So, kapag niran mo na yung program, domino will appear na. Tapos, yung type number lang na 1 to 6 and press enter. Yari, 1, enter, 2, enter. Sagutin mo lang yung magiging follow yung question then, like typing your name or grades. And after each pointing, domino will come back unless you pick 6 to exist. So, run the program. I'm gonna run the program. So, ito na ba? Then, nakikita natin ito. Yan. Pwede natin gamitin. Ito pa. Ito. Para medyo kita. So, gonna type lang po na. Ita-type ka ng 1. 1. Here. Dito. Type ka ng 1. Then, press the enter. And enter. Then, lalabas po yun. Enter your first name. First name. Then, enter ulit. Itang nalabo. Enter ulit. Ito naman is number 2. So, enter. Then, chemistry, isay natin yung score niya, 95. Enter, 95. Enter, that's yung score na 90. Then, lalabas na po yung result ng average, 93.33. So, next naman is set pang third na tayo. 3. Enter. Begin number with 20. Enter. 30. Put ending na is 30. Enter po. Yan. Yun na po yung arrange na 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. The next is 4. Enter. Then, enter starting of number. Ito na po yung sa I. So, maglalagay ka ng 1. Enter. Then, okay tayo 5. Enter. Then, values na ito display 0, 2, 5. Enter. Then, ito na yung pinakalas. 5. Enter. Then 6. Enter. Then tax.